All right, let's dive right into this explainer. What we're looking at today. Honestly, it feels a little bit like a digital heist. We're going to figure out how to build a premium, fully animated website in just a matter of minutes without typing a single line of code. If you've ever felt intimidated by web development, this breakdown is going to completely change how you view building on the internet.
I want you to really anchor this number in your mind. $3,000. That is what a custom, responsive, animated website typically costs when you're hiring a developer and a designer. But today, we're bypassing that traditional barrier completely. We're doing it for exactly $0.
So, the big question, how do we actually pull this off? Well, the secret sauce is stacking the right free AI tools in the exact right order. We aren't just relying on one magic platform. We're orchestrating a very specific workflow to eliminate manual coding and design entirely.
Here's our game plan. We'll hit Visualizing the Hero section, Animating with Kling AI, Structuring the UI layout, Coding with Google AI, Perfecting the second page, and finally, Publishing your free site.
Starting right at the top with Phase 1, Visualizing the Hero section and creating our foundation. We kick off the workflow by hunting down a premium visual reference over on Pinterest. You know, just scroll until a specific style really grabs you. But we aren't just copying and pasting here. We take that inspiration, feed it into ChatGPT to regenerate it, and then expand the canvas in Figma. Let's actually look at the exact prompt we used to command ChatGPT.
It is super cool how ChatGPT basically acts as our cleaner for this step. By selecting the image generation option and forcing a 16:9 ratio, we use this exact prompt to strip away all the junk, like weird text or old UI elements, while completely preserving that premium high-end character vibe. You end up with this stunning, totally clean background asset.
Next up, we grab that pristine image and drop it into Figma, which is going to act as our expander. Set up a standard 1440 by 900 web frame and use Figma's AI image expansion. It's almost magic. You literally just drag the edges of your image out and the AI automatically hallucinates the rest of the background to perfectly fill a standard web canvas. Totally seamless.
And now we need some motion. Section 2, Animating with Kling AI and bringing it to life.
So we take that expanded Figma asset and upload it straight into Kling AI. The pro tip here, hit the video generator option, make sure you select the 2.5 turbo model, and drop the output resolution down to 720p. Why do that? Because 720p is completely fine for a background web video, and these specific settings only cost 15 credits. It is incredibly cost efficient, and you get this stunningly animated character with, like, zero effort.
While that animation is rendering and downloading, we jump into Section 3, Structuring the UI layout and stripping the noise.
What's genuinely fascinating here is how we pivot and use ChatGPT for a totally different task. We grab a new layout reference, say from Pinterest, and use a prompt to isolate just the text and UI elements, throwing them onto a stark black background. If the AI gets confused and leaves any lingering charts or graphics behind, no big deal. Just ask it for a quick second pass to scrub them out. We're essentially just extracting the skeleton of the website.
With our skeleton fully prepped, we hit Section 4, Coding with Google AI. The architect at work. Think about traditional web dev for a second. It usually requires a really deep knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, literally hours of manual typing. But our AI Studio method, you just click Build, upload that black background skeleton layout we just made, and type a single sentence. That's it. And here is that magic sentence. You give this direct prompt to Google AI Studio alongside our clean layout image, and the platform just goes to work. In a matter of seconds, it automatically generates the entire, fully responsive code base. Everything's perfectly aligned, the buttons are functional, the layout is completely spot on.
Now we do hit a tiny roadblock here. Google AI Studio doesn't really like reading direct video file uploads, so we use a tool called Cloudinary. All Cloudinary does is take our local Kling video file, host it for us, and spit out a public URL. Once we've got that public URL, we feed it right back into Google AI Studio with this highly specific prompt. We're basically telling the AI, hey, loop this, mute it, and strip away that black background from our skeleton layout. And boom, the code updates and suddenly we have this flawless, looping, premium animated hero section. The motion is gorgeous and the whole design is responsive.
A one-page hero is awesome, but let's build out an actual site. Section 5. Perfecting the second page and ensuring smooth navigation. We're basically just rinsing and repeating our workflow here. Find another layout reference, use ChatGPT to isolate the structure, and have Google AI Studio build Section 2. But here is the critical part. We specifically instruct the AI to link the Get Started button from our hero page so that when a user clicks it, it smoothly scrolls them down to this new section, all while that incredible background video just keeps playing flawlessly behind it.
Right before we wrap up, we've got to make sure the UX actually makes sense. So we tell Google AI Studio to strip out any redundant top navigation bars on that second page and toss in a simple Back to Home button. Once that logical navigation flow is locked in, we just download the whole project as one neat little zip file.
We've got the code on our machine. Finally, Section 6, publishing your free site and going live.
To actually host the thing, we use Netlify, and the process is laughably simple. You literally just click Add New Project, upload that zip file we just grabbed, and within seconds, Netlify unpacks the code and pushes it live to a shareable link. You can even rename the URL right there in your dashboard to make it look clean.
I really need to hammer home the biggest takeaway from this whole explainer. Every single tool we just used in this entire architectural stack, Pinterest for the inspo, ChatGPT is our cleaner, Figma for expanding, Kling AI for the motion, Google AI Studio doing the heavy coding, Cloudinary hosting the video, and Netlify putting it online, all of it cost absolutely nothing. $0. The tools are totally free, the code is generated automatically, and the final result is a highly premium, fully responsive digital asset. The only limit now is literally just your imagination. So I'll leave you with this. With the barrier to premium web development officially